In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the GoDaddy app on Android step by step, so you can manage your domains, website, and marketing tools right from your phone. If you've been looking for the easiest way to get GoDaddy installed on your Android device, you're in the right place. This guide is quick, beginner-friendly, and perfect whether you're setting up a new account or just want access on the go. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple how-to videos just like this. All right, let's get started. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. You can usually find the Play Store icon on your home screen or inside your app drawer. Once the store opens, look at the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap into the search bar and type GoDaddy. Make sure you spell it correctly so you can find the official app faster. Now, when the search results appear, you may see more than one GoDaddy app. The main one most users should choose is GoDaddy Websites and Marketing. This is the app that helps you manage your account, check your website, and handle your online presence in one place. If you specifically need payment processing or commerce features, you might also see GoDaddy Commerce. But for general use, the Websites and Marketing app is usually the best choice. Before installing, take a quick look at the app name, logo, and developer details so you know you're downloading the official GoDaddy app from the Play Store. This is always a smart habit, especially when you're installing apps related to your business or website. Once you've confirmed the correct app, tap the Install button. Your Android phone will begin downloading the app automatically and then install it for you. Depending on your internet speed and device, this may take a few moments. While it's installing, you can just wait for the progress to complete. After the installation finishes, the button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the app right away. From there, sign in using your GoDaddy account details. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access your domains, website builder, marketing tools, and other features directly from your Android device. If you want the best experience, make sure your Android device is running Android 8.0 or later. And if you want access to the latest AI-powered Airo building tools, Android 13.0 or higher is recommended. That helps ensure the app runs smoothly and gives you access to the newest features. And that's it. You've now downloaded GoDaddy on Android and you're ready to manage your account on the go. It's a simple process, but it can save you a lot of time if you regularly work with your website or domain names from your phone. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Android tutorials, app downloads, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.